Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Reka AI account using an email address only, as the guide is for users who don't want to sign up with Google. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your mobile or PC. Within the search bar, type reka.ai and press enter. Now you will be redirected to the official Reka AI page. On the home page, tap on the Try Reka option, where this will open the sign-in page. Within the sign-in page, look for the message "Don't have an account." Then within its side, you will see sign up option. Tap on it. Now it will open Create Your Account page. If you choose the email address option, please make sure to enter the email address first. Below that, you will see a passport field. You can start typing in the passport field, where a small instruction message appears explaining the passport requirement. Create the passport according to the instruction. After entering your email and passport, tap on the continue button. Now you will be redirected to a verification code page. Here you can see a field to enter a verification code along with a time limit. At the same time, Reka also sent a verification code to the email address you entered. So open the Gmail address and open the inbox sent by the Reka and make sure to copy the code, paste it in the verification field. Once entered, the verification process begins automatically. After successful verification, you will be redirected to the Reka AI dashboard, and that's how you can create a Reka AI account using email. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.